So I finally upgraded to a standing desk, and it's for a couple different reasons. The first being that I needed something that would stabilize my desk, and second, I wanted to have the option to stand up and stretch my legs throughout the workday. So I picked up this standing desk frame from Amazon, and today we're going to unbox, assemble, and I'll give you my first impressions of it. The height of the desk can be adjusted from 27.6 inches to 47.3, and once you've found the perfect height, you can save it to one of the 3 memory positions here. So far, I've only used 2 of these, one for sitting and one for standing, but it is nice to have that third option. The frame has a dual motor system, so it allows it to move relatively quick, and it's also fairly quiet as well. These legs are a dramatic improvement from what I had previously. Even at max height, the desk is still very stable, and I definitely feel a lot more comfortable leaning on it, bumping into it, and just having a triple monitor set up on top of it. Now, regarding weight capacity, this thing supposedly can hold up to 225 pounds, which is more than enough for my setup. Overall, I'm really happy with the upgrade, and I do plan on doing a full review after I've had some time to break this thing in. Thanks for watching, and take care.